Ow!
Yeah. Just stick your arms out like this, baby, and they'll come flying to you. Oh, look at this one today.
Oh yeah, that one's nice. Oh!
Jan, look at this one. Oh yeah, that's a young one. Oh, that's a weird one. What weird? What happened to that? Hi.
Alright then. Don't take it on me.
Let me put some on your hair.
No, I want to put my hair.
Yeah, now the cockatoos will all come.
Here, Jamal. They're heavy. Lift your arm up a little higher, and then they're gonna be tempted to come jump on your arm.
They ate the show. They ate it fast.
They beat you, Bri.
Yeah.
And you do it pretty quick too. Here, Bri.
I played golf. Didn't win although they had done. That's not the blue done. They have played
I want something weird in the middle.
the wild one was great, right? So again, the follow back.
Sometimes they get kind of rough.
Yeah, they're big and heavy.
Very neat. So when you got this, we got some nice, yeah. Commercial, we couldn't do it much more. Oh, do you? Okay. I'm not a huge fan of singing.
Oh, there's so many cockatoos.
I know.
Here you go.
There you go.
It's a whole I come from a place called Amber.
It's cool when you
It's just right.
look at this.
Oh yeah, yeah, you go up. But there.
Ow!
Yeah, they're very good.
I'll show you. Ooh, 진짜
It is
so
fast.
fast.
The blue mountains are really nice to see. Sort of, they are fun.
So look at this one. Your mom would love this.
Yeah, she would love this place. You'll be seeing this video later.
No,
You're stuck with the cockatoos.
You'll like them.
You like them better.
The Roman paper is huge. You can spend the whole week.
Ow!
So if you get a chance to go there,
Ow!
You ran out.
He's like,
You.
hurry up and get some more.
there's some big caves.
Don't attack my plastic bag. I'm gonna put the hole in my bag. Then
Oh, there. They're heavy. They're heavy.
Yeah, I was expecting that.
Oh, I really hope it doesn't pee right now.
Holy cow. Wow. That's awesome.
Oh, here, Jen, where's the camera? I'll take a photo.